So hello guys and welcome to my channel Ambitious Design again. So today we are going to do a very important activity for class 10th. It is an art integrated project for the students of class 10. It is related to Meghalaya. Before proceeding further, turn the white thumb blue, and if you are new to my channel then subscribe to my channel Ambitious Design. So, now without wasting time, let's move to our topic, Meghalaya. Meghalaya. This is a map of India. On your right side, you can see a state mark with yellow and written Meghalaya. That is Meghalaya. Capital Shillong. Here's the map of Meghalaya. Firstly, the geography of Meghalaya. So basically, Meghalaya is one of the 7 sister states of Northeast India. The state of Meghalaya is mountainous, which stretches of valley and highland plateaus, and it is geologically rich. It consists mainly of archean rock formations. These rock formations contain rich deposits of valuable minerals like coal, limestone, uranium, sillimanite, etc. Actually, Meghalaya has many rivers. Most of these are rain-fed and seasonal. The most important river in the Garo Hills region are Gambol, Darling, Sanda, Bandra, Budai, Darling, Sinchan, Nitai and Bupai. In the central and the eastern sections of the plateau, the most important rivers are Khasi, Umtriu, Digaru, Yunami and Barapani. Jadukata, Umangi, Mappa, Uniam Kavan and etc. In the southern Khasi Hills region, these rivers have created deep gorges and several waterfalls. So Meghalaya is mostly famous for many things, but some main things are it is called as a home of large variety of fruits, vegetables, spices and medicinal plants. Meghalaya is also famous for its large variety of orchids, nearby 325 of them. Of these, the largest variety is found in Maswami, Malluha and Sodiam forest in Khasi Hills. Climate of Meghalaya. So, about the climate of Meghalaya, average annual rainfall is high as 12,000 mm, means 470 in. In some areas, Meghalaya is the wettest place on earth. The western part of the plateau, comprising the Garo Hills region, with lower elevations, expressions high temperature for the most of the years. The Shillong area with the highest elevations experience generally low temperature. The maximum temperature in the region rarely goes beyond 28 degrees Celsius, means 82 Fahrenheit, whereas sub-zero winter temperatures are common. So, flora and fauna. About 70% of the state is forested, for which 9,496 kilometers, means 3,666 square miles, is dense, primarily subtropical forest. The Meghalaya forest is considered to be among the richest botanical habitats of Asia. These forests receive abundant rainfall and support a variety of vast of floral and faunal biodiversity. A small portion of the forest area in Meghalaya is what are known as scared groups. See Scared Groups of India. These are some pockets of an Asian forest that have been preserved by the communities of hundreds of years due to religious and cultural beliefs. These forests are reserved for the religious rituals and generally remain protected from any explosions. These guard groups harbor many rare plants and animal species. The Norik Biosphere Reserve in the West Garo Hills and the Badgram National Park in the South Garo Hills are considered to be the most biodiversity rich in Meghalaya. In addition, Meghalaya has 3 wildlife sanctuaries. These are Nokthelam Wildlife Sanctuaries, Sichu Wildlife Sanctuary and Bagmara Life Sanctuary, which is also the home of insect-eating pitcher plants Nephthylline cassinum, also called Mimacocci in local language. So at last I want to say thank you for watching my video. This video is made by me. You know my name, Ambitious Josai. So do not forget, if you like my video, do not forget to like my video, turn the white thumb blue and subscribe to my channel Ambitious Josai. If you want more videos on particular topic, just comment me and tell me which topic do you want. So thank you. At last, stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.